Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. So this is my new badge, Terraform Certificate Associate. So prior to it, I was using Terraform on AWS and Azure Cloud. On Azure Cloud, I used it to deploy DMZ on different infrastructures following their tutorials. And on AWS, I used the documentation to deploy different kind of infrastructures like EKS clusters. Terraform is open source, so it is an advantage because we can use it with different clouds, free tiers, and understand how powerful is this tool. Terraform is a good way to have an infrastructure in the form of files that can be saved to a version control repository. Different environment can be deployed like that. I used my own experience of using the tool. It's been a year and a half that I've been using Terraform. So I used FreeCodeCamp channel on YouTube to review the exam topics. It is a long video, 12 hours, but they're always best reviewers ever. Yes. I have also used online free sample questions, some without any answers and some with the answers already ticked. I believe that the experience that I had using it using Terraform made it a bit easier for me. So here you can see there's 200 practice exam questions. And the question 1 is already ticked, so you can learn like that also. There is also this platform, Terraform Best Practices. You have different languages. Example here we have Hindi. Let's just search for Urdu. Urdu also is present. So that's nice. And you can see the different, the key concepts about resources, the infrastructure model, the code structure. There are some examples also on the code styling. So you can see the menu on the left. The documentation also will help you a lot. So that's the place where you'll be focusing on to develop your different modules. So here, for example, you can just check resources. So you go to the resource block and you get the code snippet about the resource block. Providers, the same here, and the local names. Please like and subscribe. The day of the exam, which is a remote one, I have done it at home actually, and I've chosen the best time ever when there is no one to disturb, as if anyone enters the room or if there's any voice, the moderator might disqualify me. It is a bit stressful as there is high probability where I live to have some random stuff happening, but I don't care. I will just use my Hoshoku Haki. If anything happens, I had to show my ID and to move my camera under the table and show all surroundings of the room. The table had to be freed from anything, only the laptop could be on it and nothing else. So my strategy was to do all the questions as quick as possible and just mark the ones that I needed to come back to when I'm done with the first round. The second round was more about reviewing the questions and thinking about what is the answer, the best answer. This strategy has been successful to pass other cloud certifications like the AWS Solution Architect certification. So here you can see an overview of the different topics. What is particular about this exam is you get random questions, but all the topics will be covered by the exam. Yes, so here you can still see, yeah, those are 9 topics. Also, for the exam, you will need to have a GitHub repository, credentials, that HashiCorp is using GitHub. So I got the result straight away after having validated the last question and used the whole time available. The result was successful. So you can see here number 3 and number 6, that's where I did some mistakes. So I got 87, between 85 and 90%. So now it's your turn. I hope that this little guide helped you and that you'll be able to succeed at this certification. Alright, see you next time.